So what the hell are NFTs? Are they just a bubble? Do they really matter? Is this a game changer? Or is it just something that's going to die off? Many of you think of these as potential the new Beanie Babies, things that don't have any value that people want to trade for a moment and then suddenly, puff, they're all gone. I think this might be one of the biggest transformations we've ever seen. You see, NFTs allow you to attach value to both digital and real assets and exchange them with others instantaneously. A recorded ownership of those as well. These are really big concepts that are probably going to change the global business model forever. It's even going to create businesses around communities themselves in these non-fungible tokens. And it's all going to layer on top of each other. This is a really exciting time, and that's why we wanted to put together a 5-day crash course on Real Vision Crypto for NFTs, how they're going to affect all of us, where it's all going, what's going on, and what it means for you. All you need to do is just input your name, log in to Real Vision Crypto. It's free, it takes about 30 seconds to do or less, and you're going to get access to all of this incredible content. And trust me, it's worth it, because this is the future of where everything is going, and all of your business models are going to be disrupted by it. So enjoy.